everyone. So this is part 4 tutorial, and basically we're going to be doing the same thing that we did in part 3 tutorial, where we embellished our signature, and we're going to do that for this signature as well. And what I like to do, I like to go ahead and cut up the different pieces of the journaling cards, the tissue paper, the rub-on transfers, and go ahead and kind of make my layout for each page, and then I just start gluing everything down. Now what I am doing is taking some gesso with a paintbrush, and I'm kind of toning down some of the colors on the page and going around basically the edges of the pieces that I have, and then also just, giving a quick brush stroke on the page itself, on the book page, just to kind of tone it down, kind of mute some of the colors. So now we're taking our paint that we received in our kit. It's the jar of the Aberdeen paint, and I really love that color paint. It just really brings out those colors that are in the journaling cards, the strips of paper that we're cutting up and gluing down in our book. So I really like the different colors of purple for this collection. I mean, you know, we have lavender, mauve, just all of these beautiful colors of purple, which I really love. So now we're taking our wax paste and I'm going around the edges of everything, and even, going on the book page itself. Basically, everything that's on the page, I'm just kind of outlining it. And I really like the look that it gives for me personally. Just trying to cover up a lot of that white negative space. But if you like the white space, then you may not want to put as much wax paste as I'm putting, on the whole page. But I really like the look that it gives. And the really cool thing about the wax paste that I like, it has an iridescent look to it. So when you look at it one way, it's kind of brown. And then when you look at it a different way, it has that purple, that amethyst color. So I really like the effect of it. So I'm going ahead and just putting this a wax paste on both pages. And then I also do it on the muslin fabric as well, like I did in the other one. You may not want to do that. You may want to leave it white, or just leave it alone. I liked the look that it gave. It just kind of gives it that dingy look, that old, kind of an old look, dingy, worn look, and I just really like the effect of it. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thanks so much for watching.